In this video, I want to show you how to create avatar on Instagram profile. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing, you have to simply install and update your Instagram app. Then you have to simply open up the Instagram. So if you want to create avatar on Instagram profile, you need to simply first tap on the edit profile. So at the top of the profile, you can see there's two options: select photo, or you can simply tap on little avatar icon. So if you want to create the avatar on Instagram profile, you need to simply tap on this little avatar icon. Now you have to simply tap on the create avatar. So I am currently using the avatar on my Facebook, so I just want to create a new avatar here. So simply tap on no create a new avatar. First you need to simply select the skin tone, then tap on the next. Now you have to simply select the hairstyle, and you can also customize your avatar according to your own skills. So I just want to just change here the clothes. Then you have to simply tap on the done after completion of the editing process. So you have to simply tap on the save changes. And once you successfully tap on the save changes, so here you need to simply tap on the next. Now you have to simply tap on the check mark. So you can see I have successfully created the avatar on my Instagram profile. So if you want to save this avatar to your Instagram profile, now you have to simply relaunch the Instagram. Then you have to simply once again tap on your Instagram profile. So simply tap on add photo. So in this time you need to simply tap on the use avatar. Now you can see I have successfully created the avatar profile. So here you can change the specific background. Then you have to simply tap on this little check mark to successfully save the avatar to your Instagram profile. So as you can see, I have successfully created the avatar on my Instagram profile by using this method. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.